anxious because you're trying to control too much. That's it. That's the truth no one wants to admit. And the Stoics? They figured this out 2,000 years ago, long before social media, deadlines, and dopamine overloads. You think you're overwhelmed by life. But really, you're overwhelmed by your own mind. We live in a world that worships control. Control your image, your followers, future, outcome, success. But here's the Stoic truth no one tells you. The more you try to control what's not yours, the more you lose what is. Your peace, clarity, focus, soul. Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful man in the world, wrote to himself, not the world. He said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." He ruled an empire, yet constantly reminded himself, control begins within. And Epictetus, born a slave, taught that freedom isn't about circumstance. It's about what you choose to care about. You think you're anxious because of the world. The truth? You're anxious because you're arguing with reality. You check your phone hoping to feel secure, but it only makes you more uncertain. You try to control people, but end up feeling powerless. And every time you react to something out of your hands, you surrender a piece of yourself. You were not made to control the world. You were made to control how you show up in it. So what do the Stoics teach us to do? 1. Draw a line every morning. Ask yourself, what can I control today? And what must I let go of? Write it down. Live by that line. Don't cross it. 2. Practice the pause. When something triggers you, pause. Ask, is this mine to carry? If not, drop it like a stone. 3. Remember this one rule. Control your character, not the outcome. You can't force results. But you can choose integrity, courage, and patience, every single time. Remember how we began. You're anxious because you're trying to control too much. You don't need to fix everything. You don't need to predict the future. You only need to hold your mind like a steady flame, untouched by the wind around it. If this spoke to you, don't just scroll to the next video. Start small. Let go of one thing today that isn't yours to carry. And if you want to keep learning from the ancient wisdom that still holds strong in our modern world, subscribe. This isn't just a channel. It's your reminder to return to what truly matters.